In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Page Designer in Airtable. By the end, you'll know how to set up the Page Designer extension, choose the right layout, and start building clean, printable pages from your Airtable records. First, open Airtable in your browser and sign in so you're looking at the workspace where your data lives. Open the base that contains the records you want to format. It helps to have a view with the fields you'll actually use so you're not overwhelmed later. Look toward the top of the interface and open the Tools menu. From there, go to Extensions. This is where Airtable keeps add-ons that enhance your base with extra capabilities like charts, maps, and in our case, polished documents. Select Add an Extension. In the search bar that appears, type Page Designer. This extension is built for generating one-page layouts, things like invoices, Project One sheets, product sheets, or labels, using the live data you already have in Airtable. Choose Page Designer from the results and click Add Extension. A setup panel opens to guide the initial configuration. Start by selecting the table that holds the records you want to design. Your available fields, including lookups and rollups, will come from this table, so pick the one that best represents the content you need on the page. You can always adjust later if your needs change. Next, choose a record size. If you're making a standard document, pick a common size like letter or A4. For compact layouts such as labels or cards, select a smaller preset or enter custom dimensions that match your use case. Think about where this page will be viewed or printed so you choose the right format from the start. Then select a record orientation, portrait or landscape. Portrait tends to work well for text-heavy documents, while landscape is great for wide tables, image-forward layouts, or multi-column designs that benefit from extra horizontal space. Click Done to create your design canvas. You'll now see a blank page with a sidebar of fields from your chosen table. This is where the fun begins. Drag fields onto the canvas to place dynamic content and add text boxes for headings, labels, or disclaimers. Insert images for logos or product photos stored in attachment fields. Use alignment tools, snapping guides, and grids to keep everything tidy and consistent. Adjust fonts, sizes, and colors to match your brand and group related elements so they're easy to move together. If a field feels too dense, format it with clear labels and spacing. Preview with different records using the record selector to make sure your layout works across real data. With these edits in place, you'll have a professional, reusable template ready whenever you need it.